Hi guys and welcome to Explain Me How. In this video, I will show you how to log out from YouTube account. To start, open your YouTube application. On YouTube, tap on your profile on the upper right. Once you're here, select Manage your Google account. Once you're now under Google Account tab or the new pop-up, the next step is to go to Home, scroll down, then select Google Account. If this pop-up shows, just select Not Now. Once you're here, scroll up, then select Manage your Google account and then select which Google account you want to log out. Select your profile on the upper right once again. Once you're here, select your profile under Accounts. Once you do that, you can now select Use YouTube to sign out. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.